Samsung's going to charge $500 to put your face on its fridge. That's probably something you would like, Mo.
Yeah, just my face in front of my food.
Well, I mean, like your family photos and stuff.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah, I guess people do that. They put the
Yes.
magnets. I do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or you know what you could do is you do a digital version of when your kids do the drawings.
Mm-hmm.
Just snap a photo of it. Now the drawings are all.
I don't like that.
That's
Go
not
ahead.
the same. Though.
Go ahead, Mo.
I agree.
Go ahead, Will.
I don't like it.
Go ahead.
There's something.
This is Mr. Zuckerberg over here.
Yeah, I
He
know.
doesn't like taking a photo of a drawing.
That's way too much.
But the rest of the time, give me the headset in full immersion.
Yeah.
Right.
And me and Mark can be best friends.
Yeah.
Who needs a family photo album when you have a fridge? I mean, it is a problem. People have so many photos on their phones and nowhere to put them. They know where to look at it. What you passing around a tiny screen? Where do you put them?
Mm-hmm.
But imagine if this is an entire photo frame, and then it changes throughout the
Like a
throughout the day.
slideshow.
You know, he's not listening to me. I'm just snapping. I don't know why he's growling over there.
Yeah, but so it's a slideshow of pictures.
Yeah.
It's like Google Photos. Like you can put Google Photos
Yeah.
on your TV,
Yeah.
and it will just.
So why they got to charge you $500?
Yeah, what's that about?
Samsung's adding a new extremely exploitable customization option to its line of bespoke refrigerators. Sling the company $500. Oh, like give them $500. And you can have any photo or image you like printed on the units. It's not a screen at all. It's actually
not.
printed there.
What?
Printed on the unit's double doors.
Okay.
Choose
How
your
wrong were
favorite
we?
piece of artwork, a child's doodles, or just put your own face on your own fridge for no good reason at all.
Wait, $500?
Get out of here.
That's a lot.
Well, what are they? I mean, they got to print a whole custom front of a fridge.
No, I'm sure it's a vinyl.
Oh, you think so?
I think it's a vinyl.
It says print.
Yeah, you print on vinyl.
Oh, I thought they were.
I don't know.
screens.
I don't know what it is.
Hold on. We
The
need a-
option is launching for buyers sometime later this year. And if you already own a bespoke fridge, you can order the door panels separately. I don't think it's a vinyl.
Oh my God, you're right.
The cost is $250 a panel, and Samsung says they'll take 8 weeks to print and ship. They're printing on the actual material.
Oh, wow.
There's no way you're doing this.
Me, I'm doing.
You're doing?
Me, I do.
There's no way I'm doing this.
Me, I see, I do.
Wow.
None of them. None of them speak to you, Mo. None of those.
Some
Forever?
patterns? It's
Mo,
kinda cool.
none.
Forever?
Mo, none.
None of these.
None.
Maybe the family.
Yes, that's right.
The
That
family.
family.
that
That's right.
family in particular.
That's right. I mean,
They're not even a family. They're just 3 separate actors.
I mean, it's definitely crazy. Obviously, it's obviously
Getty Images.
It's obviously crazy, but do I care? No, not this stuff is kind of boring. So I don't mind seeing it get spiced up. I don't think here's the thing, Mo. You can order. You're still gonna have your original panels, and then you got your fancy ones. Every so often, you mix it up like your outfit. Go ahead, Mo.
My fridge doesn't need to dress up every day.
Go ahead, Mo.
I gotta put on an outfit every day.
You do?
My fridge doesn't need to do this.
No. Well, it definitely doesn't need to. But who knows? Who knows?
Mm-hmm.
Who knows what happens to your life if your fridge gets a personality?
You know, when it was a screen,
Yeah.
I was like half on board, half off.
Yeah.
This being like a permanent panel that's just printed, and that cost $500.
Yeah.
Like, if I wanted to do this, actually, why couldn't I just print on a vinyl?
So if it's a screen, you're half.
If it's a screen, I'm half. If it's
Okay.
a panel, I'm out.
You're zero.
I'm 0.
Okay. Will's going for the snap record today. Over there, he's tap dancing over there.
Oh, yeah.
He's
There's someone like outside. I don't know.
yeah.
It's a
Well,
ghost or something.
I think it's a Giga Chad.
He's coming for us.